In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Quick View in Squarespace. If you're someone who manages an online store and wants to enhance the shopping experience for your customers, mastering this feature is essential. It allows potential buyers to glimpse product details without going deep into each item page, making shopping swift and convenient. Let's dive into the steps to customize this feature on your Squarespace website. First, you need to make your way over to Squarespace. It's important to have your account credentials handy, as you'll need to access your dashboard. If you're not already signed in, you'll start at the main Squarespace homepage. Here, you should see a prominent Get Started button. Clicking this will lead you to a screen prompting you to enter your login details or create an account if you don't have one yet. For today's guide, we're focusing on logged-in users. So input your information and proceed to your site's dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, we're going to locate your product page settings. This is essential because these settings will allow us to customize specific product views, including the Quick View feature. To find this, navigate through your dashboard to your pages list. Look for the page that hosts your products. Usually labeled as Products, this is the page where customers interact with your offerings. Once you've entered your product page settings, it's time to access the advanced settings. On most Squarespace setups, a menu often located on the left-hand side will guide you to various settings categories. Within this menu, look for a section labeled Advanced. This area contains additional options to further tweak how your page functions. Within the advanced settings, you'll find the Quick View options. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Quick View. By activating this option, you're allowing customers to get a more expansive glimpse of products with minimal navigation. A simple click of the toggle button enables this feature. If at any time you wish to disable it, toggling it off is just as straightforward. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to edit Quick View in Squarespace, providing your customers with a better, swifter shopping experience. This feature can significantly impact user satisfaction, potentially leading to increased sales and user engagement. Now go ahead and explore other customization options within Squarespace to further enhance your site to meet your business's unique needs.